Guys, you are gonna love this one. I am gonna give Candy Blossom to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna give you a few seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, just a super quick tutorial today to show you how to get Raccoon in Grow a Garden. This is by far the most simple method because it does just use a working Grow a Garden code that you can use right now in 2025, and it's going to supply you with the Raccoon, which is a super rare divine pet, guys. I'm sure you're aware how rare the Raccoon is. I believe it's like a 0.1% chance or 0.5% chance hatching it from the night egg, so it is really rare. And yeah, I thought I'd show this tutorial and show you guys how to go ahead and get the Raccoon for free in Grow a Garden. And yeah, this is really easy, so it's going to take you a few minutes, and you will need to use your mobile phone, as you can see. So just do this on your mobile and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So you're going to want to go to www.coldcoupons. You got to make sure you can spell, guys, coldcoupons.com. So type it like that. And this is a codes website. I found them when I was searching for Candy Blossom, but I did notice they had some codes for pets as well. So what you're going to want to do is use that search here bar and go to Grow a Garden. And this is the page you need to find Grow a Garden Roblox codes. Now, they do have a bunch of different codes. As you can see, I'm just scrolling down. They have loads. But the code that's going to get you the Raccoon is this code, the All Pets. So this is a simple Grow a Garden code that's going to unlock all pets. And this is by far the easiest method to get the Raccoon in Grow a Garden. And trust me when I say, guys, I spent hours trying tons of different methods. And there's a reason I'm recording this video and showing you this method, guys, because this worked and is super simple, completely free, and takes a few minutes. So it says here your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. You can see your code is currently locked, and this basically prevents people from stealing them. Cold coupons do limit one of these codes per person. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is unlock your code by clicking the blue button and read this instructions. Complete 2 of the free app survey offers below to unlock your code, and follow the instructions for each, and this verifies you're not a robot. So because this is your first time doing this, guys, you will need to confirm you're not a robot looking to steal all of these limited codes. You do need to just complete a couple of these free tasks to unlock your code. And it is very important you just read the description that tells you how to complete the tasks. They're really easy. These can be things like TikTok, like where you have to download, install the app, and run it for 30 seconds. There can be other things like mobile applications or games, surveys. Very easy. Just fully complete 2 of them and your code will be unlocked. It does take a few minutes, guys, so I skipped forward for this video. But your code will be fully revealed and unblurred, and you can redeem it in Grow a Garden. And that is how to get Raccoon in Grow a Garden. Really easy. By far the easiest method, and like I said, I did try everything. So head on over to Cold Coupons and just find the All Pets Grow a Garden code. And unlock your code, guys. Make sure you follow the instructions, and that is how to get the Raccoon pet. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead, smash the like button. If you need any help, leave a comment in the comment section below and I can try and help out. But yeah, enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.